Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite without the Epic Games launcher. First, locate your Fortnite game directory, typically found in your C drive program files. Navigate to the Fortnite game folder, then to binaries, and finally Win64. This is where the main game executable, Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping, EXE, resides. This file is crucial for our next steps. To launch Fortnite without the Epic Games launcher, you need to use command line arguments. These arguments instruct the game executable to start without needing the launcher to authorize it. You will primarily use the Epic Portal argument, which tells the game to connect to Epic services directly. Additionally, ensure the easy anti-cheat executable starts alongside the game to prevent issues. This direct approach offers a streamlined entry to the game. Now let's create a convenient shortcut. Right-click on the Fortnite Client Win64 Shipping, EXE file, then choose Send to and Desktop, Create Shortcut. Next, right-click the new shortcut on your desktop, select Properties, and in the Target field, add a space after the existing path and type Epic Portal. Click Apply, then OK. Double-click your new shortcut to launch Fortnite directly. It should bypass the launcher and connect you to the game. Remember, while this method bypasses the launcher, it does not bypass the need for game updates. You will still need the Epic Games launcher to download new versions of Fortnite. Also, always ensure your easy anti-cheat service is running correctly, as playing without it can lead to bans. This direct launch method is a handy trick, but the Epic Games launcher remains crucial for full game management and updates. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.